Such a beautiful pixie bob style to start off the video. I really like the color combination on that. And then we move into another hair color transformation. It looks like she's going blonde here. So it looks like the stylist decided to color his hair as well. Ooh, beautiful highlights to frame out her face. Wow, both of them look absolutely amazing. She went with more like a bright blonde platinum, and then she has the dimensional ombre. Oh, this is so beautiful. Two gorgeous hair transformations. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some amazing 2024 hair transformation ideas. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major inspiration, we've got you covered. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like we have someone doing a cut refresh here. So she is getting a nice bob haircut. Beautiful warm blonde toned to the hair. Gorgeous bob shape. She has so much volume within this bob. Hair looks so luscious and full. Very nice. Next up, we have a Barbie inspired hair makeover. So this is a huge trend that we've been seeing ever since the Barbie movie came out. And it looks like she's going to be going blonde. So it looks like she's getting some braids here. Now the dipping the hair into the warm water adds the curls, a nice variety of blondes mixed in with the shade. Wow, look how long her hair was. That is just insane. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out these last few amazing hair transformations.